Hi guys, so I did a lot of different testing with the Sensus application. I first started out by taking a college essay that I had written in English in a PDF form and then putting it into a MP3 file type. And I was really excited by how easy it was to create a different file type of my essay and actually listen to it in a just in that audio format. It was fantastic to be able to do that. I would agree with Bobby's comment that it definitely takes a little bit of an adjustment to adapt the voice. It's not the smoothest voice, the US English American accent, but the British accent, per Valerie's instruction, I think was a great suggestion. It sounded a lot cleaner to listen to that voice. So I thought that was a great suggestion that was made. So I tested a file in English, creating an MP3 to listen to the file that I had written, and I was able to definitely understand it at a different level. Had I just been reading what I had written, I caught some errors that I created, just sort of like semantic stuff that I may have not picked up as I was revising it by reading it, and I clearly didn't pick them up because I submitted that paper. So I really like I probably will do that moving forward. Just take something that I've written and listen to it using Sensus to just see how I perceive it when I'm listening to it. But I think from just a general learning perspective, it's super easy to take something that you want someone as an instructor. If for instance, you're assigning reading to your students, it really takes 2 seconds to run something through Sensus and attach it a different file type to accommodate different learning preferences as well as learning needs. So I think it's a really great way to make sure that course content is inclusive for everyone. So I really liked it. I did do an interesting test. I took a document that I had written in English and I used the French language option and ran a MP3 with the English file, and it did not translate anything correctly. I can verify that, but I will say that I was really interested in doing this after seeing Julie's comment on using German and how it worked well for her. So I definitely am curious there. But what I did appreciate from Sensus is I took a file that was written in French that I had found online, and it was from a French authentic source, and I used Sensus to take that file and upload it and create a MP3 file into French. So I went French to French, French written to French. A audio recording, and I will say that it was really helpful to be able to listen to this file instead of reading it, to be able to actually listen to the French accent. It was not bad at all, and it made it easier for me to understand as well. I'm not a native speaker. I've had to learn French from scratch, basically, and I've studied it for quite some time now, and I majored in it as well. But there's always challenges, in second language learning, and also as an adult trying to continue my just engagement with French as a second language while also trying to learn Spanish. So I liked it, and I'll definitely recommend it. My boyfriend speaks Spanish as his first language and English as his second language, and I think this would be a really great way for him to maybe take files that are in English and listen to them in English, just to be able to sort of understand things sometimes when it might be challenging. So I see so many different ways to use this this application. I'm definitely going to recommend it. I've already done so with my colleagues who teach French in public school, K through 12 environment, just to be able to instantly use this application with their students who might be struggling with listening. You can take the file, you can speed up the MP3, the pace that it's speaking, you can slow it down. I mean, there's so much flexibility with Sensus, so I think it's really cool. And I just wanted to share some thoughts I had about it. Thanks for watching, guys.